Vimal, and of course, we were tracking all of the developments that you were putting out on your social media. I saw the picture that you tweeted along with Hardik Pandya, Rohit Sharma, and of course, King Kohli. We would like to know the sense right after they won, because what we were looking at, people crying, we were all emotional because this victory was long pending. In fact, right now also we are looking at our players heading inside of the hotel with, of course, Rohit Sharma with the cup in his hand. Vimal, so walk us through all of the emotional moments that transpired right after the victorious glory.
Right after the victorious glory, I must tell you that the team gathered. They were inside the dressing room or nearly for 1 hour. They had a private session, so we had no access to that. But after 1 hour, I saw one by one every player coming to the pitch, and then the team had the huddle, and then Rahul Dravid. I must tell you, this was like I got the sense, especially led by Rohit Sharma. The player more than the players being happy for themselves, they were far more happier for their coach Rahul Dravid, especially the way I could see that. I could see that the face of Rohit Sharma. You could imagine, oh, he has won the World Cup, but the expression was like, यार राहुल भाई का है, राहुल भाई के लिए मैं relief हूँ. So the kind of respect, and it was with all the team members. So maybe we haven't spoken much about Rahul Dravid's contribution in Indian cricket, but the players realized, and they were desperate that Rahul Dravid, since it was his last assignment with the Indian cricket team, he should get a wonderful farewell. And I have never seen Rahul Dravid in such a light-hearted mood.
Yes.
You can imagine, he just became a boy. And even if you look, Rahul Dravid always studious, serious kind of person. But he was joking around. Even in the flight, he was like, I told him कि राहुल भाई एक फोटो आपके साथ बनती है, तो बोला अरे विमल जी आपके साथ नहीं बनेगी तो मेरे को टीम भगा देगी. So he was there. मैंने बोला क्या आप बात कर रहे हो राहुल भाई, मेरी इतने. So just to give you the sense that
yes.
Even someone like Rahul Dravid, I could never imagine, कि I will joke around with the legend like Rahul Dravid. But such was the mood. You see that. Jai Shah, I will tell you the example of Jai Shah, BCCI secretary Jai Shah. In media we have this perception, BCCI, such a big organization, and they don't treat especially the media nicely. But it was a different. No one told Jai Shah that you should carry the media people. There were almost 25 or 30 media person there. He took the initiative. He said कि भाई आप लोग चिंता मत करो, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप लोग तैयार रहना, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि आप लोग टीम के साथ जाओ, क्योंकि हम नहीं चाहते हैं अगर हम लोग 4 दिन फंसे हैं तो आप लोग को ज़्यादा दिन लगेंगे. और उन्होंने कहा कि द ओनली थिंग कि मैं रोहित शर्मा से परमिशन ले रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये प्लेयर का प्राइवेट मोमेंट है, उनके अपने मोमेंट्स होंगे, शायद वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो. उन्होंने कहा कि भाई जैसे द मोमेंट ही स्पोक टू रोहित शर्मा बोला कि नहीं आप बता देना कि रिकॉर्ड कोई कुछ ना करे, विजुअल्स वगैरह, एंड वी विल बी फाइन. So that kind of sense, मतलब अब मैं इतने दिनों में कभी I have never felt like BCCI or Indian cricket team treating you like their own team members, and it was just because of this triumph, historic triumph.
And as I earlier mentioned that you were on the same jet which carried our champions back to their soil, of course, and the word that you put out about now who has become the former coach of Indian cricket team, Rahul Dravid, we were just discussing it. I was talking about this particular moment with Shivani earlier that, Rahul Dravid, this is the man who barely shows any of the emotions, and this time around we looked at him giggling with the trophy in his hand, enjoying the victory, of course, with the moment that he managed to get because of the players that he actually coached, that he actually trained. Look at the visuals that we are flashing on our viewer screen at the moment. This is the grand welcome that all of our players received at ITC Moria, the hotel, that they will be staying for a couple of hours before they finally head towards meeting Prime Minister Modi and getting a photo opportunity with him. Those are the exclusive visuals here on CNN News 18, ladies and gentlemen, of the arrival of Indian cricket team after, of course, bagging that massive victory in Barbados, finally coming back to their soil after a much awaited moment. Of course, we were waiting for them, but their arrival got delayed by a couple of days because of Hurricane Beryl over there, because of the extreme weather conditions. But finally, they began their journey yesterday. They have landed here. They received a grand welcome here in the national capital. And right now, they will be staying comfortably in ITC Moria after a very hectic schedule. And of course, after a massive victory. Couple of reactions also coming in from the ground. Take a look.
चलते रहो. Can you say hi, sir? Congratulations. Say hi.
All right, Chetan also has been waiting for us for a very long period of time, very patiently. Chetan, now coming back to you, let's talk about the retirement announcement that came in from Power Trinity. Of course, Jadeja, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli will be walking away from the short format. Who do you think can actually put up their shoes now? Of course, the replacement is going to be a very, very bizarre word to use here. But who do you think can actually be the torch bearer of the Indian cricket team in the coming matches?
Like you mentioned, it's a tough call to really pick any particular names because, like I mentioned earlier as well, these are big players. It's just not they haven't become big players overnight. They've worked hard, whether it's on the field, off the field, in the nets, mentally, physically. They've given their all, so it's not easy. The opportunities will be coming forth, starting with Zimbabwe. We've sent a very young team. The game, never really stops. The next match is on Saturday. Over the next week or so, we'll have 5 T20s being played, a lot of T20 action coming up. Of course, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma will continue playing Test cricket and ODI cricket. But just to name a couple of players, I think somebody like a Yashasvi Jaiswal, who was part of this World Cup squad, he's a fantastic batter. I think he will be taking over from Rohit Sharma as the opener. Of course, we'll need another opener because Virat Kohli was opening in this World Cup. So somebody like a Shubman Gill, who's been waiting in the wings. Somebody like a Ruturaj Gaikwad, who's been excellent in the IPL. There's a lot of T20 talent coming up. The IPL, it's a feeder to the Indian team at the moment across formats, not just the T20 format. It's almost like a shortcut or a highway to success to the Indian team. So the IPL, it'll keep getting stronger and stronger. There is no dearth of talent in India. So these three names, I think, in terms of the top order, over the next couple of years at least, they'll get a lot of opportunities. They will be the ones to watch out for.
Then please stay with us. Siddhant is also currently reporting outside of the hotel. Siddhant, the players have already, although walked inside the hotel, we got the exclusive visuals from the lobby as well, the grand welcome that they received at the hotel as well. But what is exactly the mood outside of it?
Well, Sakshi, a lot of fans have come here outside ITC Maurya to catch glimpse of Team India. But I have with me a very interesting fan of Virat Kohli. He has come from Siddharth Nagar in Uttar Pradesh, especially to meet Virat Kohli, and he is, trying to find appointment with Virat Kohli. In fact, he has prepared this dossier, this book he has prepared, जिसमें इन्होंने सारे विराट कोहली की जीवन की जितनी भी छोटी मोटे डेवलपमेंट है उसको इन्होंने तस्वीरों के माध्यम से ये एक फोल्डर तैयार किया है, एंड ही वांट्स टू गिफ्ट दिस फोल्डर to Virat Kohli. In fact, wherever Virat Kohli goes, he makes sure that he go there to support him. ये बताइए कि कितने सालों से आप ये फोल्डर तैयार कर रहे हैं और इसमें क्या-क्या है इस फोल्डर में?
Sir, from last 5 years I am preparing this file. In this there on the occasion of his birthday, anniversary, Vanka's birthday, Akai's birthday, when
उनके बच्चों के जब बर्थडे होते हैं, हाँ.
when RCB female RCB team lifts the trophy and recently T20 World Cup they win. I distributed some foods to the needy people for their blessings.
Wow, that's really
only
good.
for the Virat Bhaiya that his career will always go well from their blessings.
So whenever there is an occasion in Virat Kohli's family, this fan of Virat Kohli goes out to distribute sweets and food to needy people, and this is how he supports Virat Kohli. वो राजस्थान वाला किस्सा बताइए जब आप 4 दिन उनके होटल के बाहर खड़े
सर राजस्थान में आरसीबी और राजस्थान का मैच था, तो मैं आईटीसी होटल के बाहर 4 दिन खड़ा था, तो चौथे दिन मेरी फाइल पहुंच गई थी अंदर,
विराट कोहली तक पहुंच गई थी।
एक कोऑर्डिनेटर ने पहुंचाया था, तो विराट भैया बहुत खुश थे, मुझे बुलाए थे मुझे 11:30 बजे मिलने के